Hey guys, it's Mr. Elton here to help you out with your homework tonight. So here's the deal. Rotating in the coordinate plane is all about knowing those four different rotations we talked about earlier in class. And for the purpose of this video, I want to give you a square, and I just want to ask you some simple questions as far as rotations go. If I rotate this square 90 degrees, the side that I highlight right here on the right side, that side is going to move either to the top or to the bottom, okay? And the reason why I want to mention that to you is when you're flipping your paper, which you should be rotating your paper on these, you got to know how to rotate it. So if I want to rotate 180 degrees, the top of your paper, you should rotate, and that should become the bottom of your paper. So your paper should be completely upside down. So I can't, that's the best I can demonstrate it for you because I don't have a video camera, unfortunately. But I will show you here, if I were to rotate it 180 degrees, it's going to look, your paper, you should be looking at the picture something like this. And the reason why I flipped it upside down is I'm now going to write down these ordered pairs. And the nice thing about these don't have any numbers to confuse you. Okay, your x-axis is still your x-axis, your y-axis is still your y-axis. You just need to write down the coordinates of each point. So for example, H, the coordinates are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5. Likewise, you're going to write down J, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Interesting that they're just inverses of each other. And then Q is the easiest. It's just, I don't move left or right at all, so you can probably guess that's 0. And I move up just 1, so it's going to be 0, 1. Now from this point, you might be like, okay, why did I write those down? Well, the gist is, if I were to rotate this triangle 180 degrees around the origin, that's where the triangle ends up when I rotate it. It ends up right there in the first quadrant when I rotate it 180 degrees. In other words, if I just sort of show you here, there's the original triangle. When I rotate it, watch it move. See how it moves and the original triangle just stays there? Voila, there's your new triangle, there's your original. So our goal is to find that new triangle. And the reality is I've found the coordinates already, so I can just go ahead and plot those to do that. So let's plot the new H. So these actually are all primes. So I sort of fooled you when we did that. 3, 5 is H prime. J is going to be 5, 3. Again, I should call that J prime, not just J. And Q is going to be, Q prime rather, is going to be 0, 1. And now all I have to do is just connect the dots. See if I can draw some straight lines. Not too bad. Could be better. If you can't draw straight lines, I recommend using the side of a sheet of paper and just using it as a ruler, a straight edge. And from this point, all you have to do is nothing. You've already rotated it. So there's the pre-image, there's the image, you've rotated it 180 degrees. I can confirm that by re-rotating, and it should fall right there. Unfortunately, the center of rotation of this figure doesn't quite fall there, but it's pretty close. So there you go. Hope that helps. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email me. All you do is rotate your paper 90 degrees, 180, 270, 360. Best of luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.